Microsoft, thank you for making a great product. You're a piece of shit. I hate your company. Take two. I hate the Xbox still. This one's for you.
Oh shit. Dang, that did a lot more than we wanted to. Danny, you're still on.
Piece of shit.
Show me that six pack.
Go get it out of the fridge.
Danny, what are you doing?
I'm pissed. I'm gonna run over my Xbox. I hate him.
Dang, that's not a good idea.
Yeah? They're sexy things. I'm going PS3. I hate PS3. Just buy a new Xbox.
I told you.
Take two. I hate that Xbox. We're gonna destroy this Xbox one way or another.
Got my six pack?
Yeah, I got your beer belly.
Ready?
Yeah.
That was a lot though. Want to do it another way?
That's a great way to spend $250.